If you're looking for a reliable way to connect your monitor to a PC or other display device, a high-quality DVI, digital visual interface, cable is essential. To help you out, we've compiled a list of the 5 best DVI cables that offer durability, high performance, and compatibility with various devices. Whether you need a DVI-D, DVI, or a dual-link DVI cable, this guide will help you make an informed choice. Number 5. DVI Mini DisplayPort to DVI Cable, Mini DP to DVI 1.83mm cable male-to-male gold-plated cord for MacBook, iMac, LG 51, Surface Pro, and laptop. About this item: connecting Mini DisplayPort with Thunderbolt TM port-compatible PCs to an HD TV monitor or projector with DVI port, compatible with Apple MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, Mac Pro, Microsoft Surface Pro/Pro 2/Pro 3, not Surface for Windows RT, Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon, X230/X240S, L430/L440/L530/L540, T430/T440/T440P/T530/540P, W530/W540, Helix, Dell XPS 13/14/15/17, Latitude E7240/E7440, Precision M3800, Alienware 14/17/18, Acer Aspire R7/S7/V5/V7, Intel Nuke, Asus ZenBook, HP Envy 14/17, Google Chromebook Pixel, CyberPower Zeus Book Edge X6, Toshiba Satellite Pro S500, Tecra M11/A11, transmits both audio and video, supports video resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 and 1080p, Full HD, and flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed digital 7.1, 5.1, or 2 channels. Number 4. DisplayPort to DVI-D cable, 6-foot male-to-male, supports 1080p at 60 Hz for monitor, desktop, laptop, projector, HD TV, Lenovo, HP, Asus, Dell. More about this item: upgraded design. The DisplayPort to DVI cable is the newest design collection of monolithic design, aesthetics, durable braided cable, extended joint, and anti-oxidation gold-plated connectors. Stability, durability. High-performance chip of our DP to DVI cable supports stable connection. Flawless FHD display. The DisplayPort to DVI cable displays Full HD 1080p at 60 Hz picture and video, no flicker. Support resolution up to 1920x1200 at 60 Hz. Note: DVI port do not support audio output. Wide compatibility. The display to DVI cable connect desktop PC, laptop to monitor, HD TV projector. Compatible for Lenovo, Dell, HP, Asus, and other devices with DP port. Plug play. Just plug and play, no driver installation needed. Offering 2-year warranty and 24/7 timely customer service. Transmits high-definition video from your computer to a monitor for video streaming or gaming. Suitable for extended desktop or mirror displays. Supports resolution up to 1080p at 60 Hz and PC graphics resolution up to 2048 by 1152 at 60 Hz. DisplayPort connector with latches provides a secure connection with a release button that must be depressed before unplugging. Number 3. DisplayPort to DVI cable 6 feet/1.83mm 2-pack, DisplayPort, DP, to DVI-D male-to-male adapter cable compatible with PC, laptop, HD TV, projector, monitor. More gold-plated. About this item: 6 feet convenient cable directly connects a monitor or projector with DVI input, a DisplayPort, DP, DisplayPort. Equipped computer. Premium shield cable is made of gold-plated connectors. Braided foil shielding. bare copper conductors to ensure the reliability of data transmission and high speed. Number 2. Silkland 80 gigabits per second DisplayPort cable 2.16.6 feet, Visa certified, 8K at 240 Hz, 4K at 540 Hz, 360 Hz, 240 Hz, DP 2.1 cable 16K, DP80 HDR DSC DisplayPort cord compatible FreeSync gaming monitor 5090-7900 XTX S1334. About this item, Visa certified DP80 cable Silkland 6.6 foot DisplayPort 2.1 cable is the first Visa certified DP80 cable on Amazon. With 80 gigabits per second bandwidth, it supports uncompressed 16K content, 4K at 240 Hz, and 2K at 540 Hz resolution. Up to 16K at 60 Hz, 8K at 240 Hz, 4K at 960 Hz, 540 Hz, 480 Hz, 360 Hz with DSC enable. Born for gaming 16K DisplayPort cable is tailored for high-end gamers. Featuring VRR, FEC, ALLM and DSC 1.2a technologies for stable, seamless data transfer and smooth, uninterrupted visuals, no lag, tearing and flickering. Top-notch quality Silkland DP cable has no latch. Plug and play. Features 24K gold-plated connectors for optimal signal quality and corrosion protection. Number 1. DVI DisplayPort to DVI 6 feet cable, DisplayPort to DVI adapter male-to-male gold-plated cord cable for Lenovo, Dell, HP and other brand. About this item, excellent transmission. DVI DisplayPort to DVI 1.8 meter cable utilizes better chip solution and professional multiple shielding for instantaneous and accurate data streaming. Superior stability built-in advanced IC chip converts DisplayPort signal to DVI signal. It is not a bidirectional converter and cannot transmit signals from. Incredible performance. The DisplayPort male to DVI male converter supports resolutions up to 1920x 1080 at 60 Hz, 1080p Full HD, including 720p, 1600 by 1200, 1280 by 1024 for high-definition monitors or projectors. Latches design. DisplayPort connector with latches provides a secure connection. The latches will improve the connection stability in usage. 18-month warranty. Exclusive DVI unconditional 18-month warranty ensures long-time protection of your purchase.